Step beyond the map's edge and into a living, breathing maze where sunlight is a currency and the air thrums with a million hidden lives. This is not a single path, but a labyrinth of emerald shadows, tangled vines, and secret waterways. Here, every rustle in the undergrowth and every echoed call from the canopy is a clue in an ancient, ongoing story. Foxes are clever animals known for their intelligence and trickiness in stories in real life. Most foxes live alone, unlike wolves that live in packs. Foxes have excellent hearing and can hear small animals digging underground. They are very fast and can run up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per h. Lizards are ectothermic, cold-blooded, meaning they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. The basilisk lizard, aka Jesus Christ lizard, can sprint across water surfaces using its rapid foot movements. Chameleons change color not just for camouflage, but also for communication, temperature regulation, and emotional expression, stress, mating, etc. Chameleons have a tongue longer than their body, which they shoot out at high speed to capture insects. The tip of the tongue is sticky. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though males are typically larger. Reindeer have been domesticated in northern Eurasia for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, especially the Sami. Reindeer dig through snow to eat lichen. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. Green iguanas have a parietal eye on top of their head. It can't see images but detects light and movement to help them sense predators from above. Green iguanas primarily eat leaves, flowers, fruits, and other plant matter. In captivity, their diet must be carefully balanced. Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards. Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments. Snakes live in forests, deserts, Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 150-300 kilograms Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Donkeys are highly intelligent. Red iguanas look like mini dinosaurs, with spiny crests running down their backs and long, powerful tails. Red iguanas may show more green or orange hues as they age, or during breeding season. Red iguanas are a color morph of the green iguana. Iguana. They aren't a separate species, just a naturally occurring or selectively bred color variation. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. This lizard is often called a living fossil because it belongs to a very ancient family of lizards, Chordilidae, that has remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. Its common name is a perfect description. It is named after the armadillo for its impressive defensive strategy. And girdled lizard refers to the heavy ring-like scales, osteoderms, that girdle its body. This lizard is often called a living fossil.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy. Cheetahs are endangered. There are only about 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats.
Crocodiles have been around for about 200 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving species from the age of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force of any animal, up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. CI. Crocodiles can see well at night and have special valves in their ears and nose to keep out water when submerged. Crocodiles have been around for about 200 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving species from the age of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force Explorer, deciphering the signs and sounds of a world that operates on its own timeless principles, a world where the journey itself is the destination. Within this labyrinth, the line between hunter and hunted is as fine as a spider's silk. A flicker of movement reveals a leopard, the ultimate solitary predator, melting into the dappled light, its form a perfect illusion. High above,